This is the Multinav Pro Plus Sensors module, 7 sensors on one board. The LPS22HH you just heard about is here alongside an accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, temperature, humidity, and air quality sensor. Everything your embedded system needs to understand its physical environment consolidated into a single I2C addressable package. Motion sensing and environmental sensing are different jobs, but they belong together in serious builds. The BMI 270 handles inertial data at the rates drone flight controllers require. The LPS22HH, the MVH 4003D, and the ZMOD 4510 handle the environmental side, pressure, temperature, humidity, air quality, all streaming simultaneously without contention on the bus. The component choices here are not commodity parts. The BMI 270 is Bosch Sensortech's flagship IMU. The LPS22HH is ST Microelectronics high-resolution barometric sensor. The TMAG 5273 magnetometer is from Texas Instruments. The ZMOD 4510 air quality engine is from Renesas. Each of these was selected because it performs at the level the applications demand, not because it was the cheapest option on the BOM. All 7 sensors share a single I2C line. Each has a dedicated address. There are no multiplexers, no bus arbitration workarounds, no address conflicts to resolve in firmware. You connect one pair of wires to the module and you have access to every sensor on this board. The I2C implementation is clean by design, not by luck. 24mm by 18mm, that is the entire footprint. This module fits on a drone arm inside a wearable enclosure on the nose of a UAV where GPS and pressure data have to coexist in the same small space. Compact design is not a marketing attribute here, it is an engineering constraint that was solved before the product shipped. Real-time environmental data means data that is fast enough to be actionable. The LPS22HH updates at up to 200 Hz. The BMI 270 is equally fast. When you are flying in changing weather or monitoring an environment where conditions shift in seconds, a sensor that updates every minute is not real-time. It is a historical record. This module was built for the former. Drone stabilization, weather monitoring, indoor navigation, precision agriculture, environmental data networks, wearable biometric platforms, robotics, field research equipment. The list of applications for 7 sensor, environmental and inertial data is not short. The Multinav Pro Plus Sensors module is $39. It is FCC certified, it is in stock. The gap between what this costs and what this does is the reason RFOXiA exists.